Our next topic is representation of rational numbers on a number line. Any rational number can be represented on the number line, which is a positive rational number or a negative rational number. Now, first of all, we have to draw the number line. We have to put arrow mark on both sides. Then, first you have to mark 0. Then we can see that right of 0, we have to mark positive rational numbers. The positive rational numbers are lying on the right of 0. And the left of 0, we have to mark negative rational numbers. So, first of all, you have to look into the given rational number is whether it is a positive rational number or a negative rational number. Now, we can consider the first example, 1 by 2. You have to represent 1 by 2 on the number line. So, first we have to draw the number line. Then we have to put arrow mark on both sides. Then look at that, 1 by 2 is a positive rational number. So, first you mark 0, then you have to mark 1 by 2 on the right of 0. Okay. So, in this place you have to mark, in this part of the number line you have to mark the rational number 1 by 2. Now, how we can mark it? Look at the denominator. What is the denominator here? Denominator is 2. Denominator is 2. So, you have to mark 2 points at equal distances to the right of 0. How many points you have to mark? 2 points at equal distances. So, this equal distance we can take it as a 1 centimeter in your scale. You can take it as 1 centimeter. So, you have to mark 2 points on the right of 0. Then, first point, take 1 centimeter on your scale and mark the first point. And from there again measure 1 centimeter and mark the next point. So, you marked 2 points. Okay. And so, from this part you can see that this part is divided into 2 equal parts. Okay. This portion of the line is divided into how many equal parts? 2 equal parts. And the first part will represent 1 by 2. It is out of 2 parts, it is the first part. And the second one will represent out of 2 parts, it is the second part. So, we can write it as 2 by 2. And what is 2 by 2? 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So, what is the meaning that the distance between 0 and 1, the distance between 0 and 1, the distance between 0 and 1 is divided into how many equal parts? 2 equal parts, and the first part will represent the rational number 1 by 2. Okay. So, look at that, the rational number, the given rational number is 1 by 2. Look at the denominator is 2 and it is a positive rational number. Therefore, to the right of 0 you have to mark 2 points at equal distances. And this equal distance you have to take it as 1 centimeter. Therefore, mark 2 points. And the part of the line is divided into, okay, this part is divided into 2 equal parts. And the first part will represent 1 by 2, first one 1 by 2 and the second one is a 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means it is a 1. Therefore, the meaning is that the distance between 0 and 1 is divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, and the first part will represent the rational number 1 by 2. So, we can circle it, okay. So, this point represents the rational number 1 by 2, or if you want you can give a name to this point also. You can use the letter, any letter you can use it. A, you have to use capital letters and we can say that A represents 1 by 2. A represents 1 by 2. And to the left of 0, what type of rational numbers will come? Negative rational numbers. So, here also if you want you can mark 2 points at equal distances. And the first part will represent negative 1 by 2 and the second will be negative 2 by 2. So negative 2 by 2 means what is that? Negative 1. So 2 by 2 means what? 1. Okay. So you can mark, if you want, you can mark some more points to the left of 0 at equal distances also. Now next one, negative 3 by 4. This is a what type of rational number? Negative rational number. First you have to draw the number line. Put the arrow mark. Then first you have to mark 0. First you mark 0. Then it is a negative rational number, therefore you have to mark the points to the left of 0. Then look at the denominator. What is the denominator here? The denominator is 4. So what we have to do? We have to mark 4 points at equal distances to the left of 0. How many points you have to mark? 4 points, because the denominator is 4. You have to mark 4 points at equal distances. So the distance you can take it as 1 centimeter. Okay. Then the part of the line is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay. So the first part will represent negative 1 by 4 because it is to the left of 0. Next one, negative 2 by 4, negative 3 by 4. And the next point is a negative 4 by 4. So what is negative 4 by 4? Negative 4 by 4 means it is a negative 1. So the distance between 0 and negative 1 divided into 4 equal parts, and each part, the first part it is negative 1 by 4, second part negative 2 by 4, third part negative 3 by 4, and the fourth part is negative 4 by 4. And here the rational number is a negative 3 by 4. So we can put negative 3 by 4. And here also to the right of 0 also you can mark some points at equal distances. So if you are going to mark, you have to mark points at equal distances, and the first part it will be 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, and it will go in that way. So here also, in this case also, if you want, you can give a name to this one, and this point, the particular point, you can give a name. Suppose it is a B, and if you want, you can write it as B represents negative 3 by 4. Now next question, 7 by 6. Okay, 7 by 6. First draw the number line, put the arrow mark, then I mark 0. Look at the denominator. What is the denominator here? 6. So what we have to do? We have to mark, how many points you have to mark? 6 points at equal distances. So you have to mark 6 points. So the distance you can take it as 1 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, the first part will be 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6. 6 by 6 means it is a 1. But look at that, our rational number is 7 by 6. So what is the meaning of that? We have to continue the marking. So how many points again you have to mark it? You have to mark again 6 points. So we can extend the number line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the next one will be, you have to continue it as 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6, and the next one is 12 by 6. What is 12 by 6? 12 by 6 means a 2. Now look at that, 7 by 6, we can consider it as a fraction also. 7 by 6, when you convert it into this an improper fraction, when you convert it into a mixed number, it is a 1 by 6. So what is the meaning of that? The value of this 7 by 6 lies between 1 and 2. It is an improper fraction, and the value of that is 7 by 6 lies between 1 and 2. Therefore, we can say that it is after 1. The point comes after 1. So, this point will represent which one? 7 by 6. Okay. So, if you are getting an improper fraction, if you consider in terms of fraction, we can say that fractions are also rational numbers, and if you are getting the value more than 1, what you have to do? You have to continue the marking. Then to the left of 0 also you can mark, if you want you can mark some more points at equal distances 1 centimeter. So, first one will be negative 1 by 6, negative 2 by 6, and it will go in that way. Now, exercise 9.1, question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on the number line. Now, first one is a 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a positive rational number. First of all, we have to draw the number line. Draw the number line. Put arrow mark. It is a positive rational number. Therefore, we have to mark the points to the right of 0. So, look at the denominator. Denominator is 4. So, you have to mark how many points? 4 points. Okay. So, you have to mark 4 points at equal distances. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the first point will represent 1 by 4, then 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. So, what is 4 by 4? 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So, the distance between 0 and 1 is divided into 4 equal parts, and we have to select the third part, and the third point will represent the rational number 3 by 4. If you want to this side also, we can mark some points, and negative 1 by 4. Now, next one is a negative 7 by 4. Draw the number line. Put the arrow mark. So, it is a negative rational number, negative 7 by 4. So, we can move the 0 to the right end. Okay. So, we need the negative part. Now, look at that, the denominator is 4. So, we have to mark 4 points at equal distances. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the first one will be negative 1 by 4, negative 2 by 4, negative 3 by 4, negative 4 by 4. Negative 4 by 4 means it is a negative 1. So, the rational number is negative 7 by 4. So, we have to continue the marking. How many points we have to mark? Again 4 more points at equal distances. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, negative 5 by 4, negative 6 by 4, negative 7 by 4 and negative 8 by 4. What is negative 8 by 4? Negative 8 by 4 is a negative 2. Okay. So, 7 by 4, if you consider 7 by 4, it is an improper fraction and the value is more than 1. And it lies between negative 1 and negative 7 by 4, it will lies between negative 1 and negative 2. So, this point will represent the rational number negative 7 by 4. Now, homework exercise 9.1 question number 4, second and fourth one. That is all for today's class. Thank you.